Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to invite friends in Hamster Kombat and earn rewards. Once you're in Hamster Kombat, you'll want to go to the bottom middle section of the screen where it says Friends. Tap on that and now you'll see an option that says Invite Friends. This is where you can earn rewards for bringing new people into the game. You'll get 5,000 coins and your friend will also get 5,000 coins just for signing up with your referral link. If your friend has Telegram Premium, both of you will earn 25,000 coins instead. There's also an extra bonus if your friend levels up, which adds even more coins for both of you. To invite your own friends, it's very simple. Just click on Invite a Friend. You can either share your invite directly in a Telegram chat or click the copy icon to the right. This copies your invitation link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste and share wherever you want. Now, you might be wondering where you can share this link to get more invites. Here's a tip. Try going to Reddit. There are subreddits where people new to the game are looking for help to get their first million coins. You can message these people and offer them your referral link, letting them know that both of you will benefit. Another place to share your link is Discord. Join Discord servers related to Hamster Kombat or gaming in general. Find people who are just starting out, answer any questions they have, and share your referral link explaining that it's a win-win situation. Both you and the person you refer will get coins, making it easier for them to progress in the game. That's how you can invite friends to Hamster Kombat and earn some extra coins. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I've found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.